everyone, myself Aishwarya Nagare. Today I am going to explain some based on isometric view. So this is our question. From this question we have known that length is 100 mm, height is 40 mm and width is 50 mm. So in the question we can see this is the front view and this is the side view. For this question we will draw a rectangle first. Now we have taken the 30 angle on both the sides. Now as the given data we will mark the 100 mm length. So this is the 100 mm length, and as the width is 50, so we will mark here 50 mm, and the height is 40, so we will mark everywhere 40, taking the reference of this line. So we can see that we have drawn the rectangle. Now we will draw the top front view. So we can see that there is a 20 mm distance and this L shape has been drawn, which is length is 80 and the height is 40. So we will draw, leaving a 20 centimeter, 20 mm. We will mark a 80 mm. We can see that this is the 80 mm line, and from the above we will mark a 10 mm here. And same goes for the upside. We will take your 10 mm distance, and the curve is of 40 diameter, so we will leave a 40 mm. This is the 40 mm, and again a 10 mm distance. This we will join this lines once. So we can see that we have drawn this shape. Now from here 40 distance we will draw this curve. So we will draw a rhombus, which will be, we will mark as 20 mm above from this point and below this point 20 mm. Same for this. So we have drawn this 40 by 40 square. So we will just mark your midpoint of this line. So we can see that we have drawn the rhombus. This is our 40. We will take the midpoint of this line, which is 20, and we will join this point to this corner, and the main diagonal, the longest diagonal. So we will take a compass. We will take this point and this distance, and we will join the arc. This is the arc. Now same, we will take this as the center and this as the radius, and we will make the arc. So we can see that we have drawn this semicircular arc. Now from the side view image we can see that the lines has been projecting backwards. So we will draw this, taking the reference of this line. We will project each point backwards. So you can see this line, we have projected this lines backwards. Now as the semicircular arc is in the front side, so it will be same at the back side. So we will repeat the same procedure at the back side. So from this point we will mark a 20 mm line, same at the below 20 mm, and from this point 20 mm, 20 mm. Yep. So we have drawn this arc. Now the next we can see that the curve, there is a curve which has the radius 20 mm and the diameter is 40. So this curve will be here. So from this point we will draw a rhombus of 40. So you can see here a point. So from this point, so here is the curve from this point. Now the same we will take as one more curve, which is 10 mm below. So we can see that this is the 10 mm point. So we will take this 10 mm point, and here is the second curve. So this is our curve. So we have drawn this curve. Now we can see that there is a circle with the same radius. So we will consider the same rhombus. We will draw a diagonal. We will take this midpoint where it is intersecting, and we will mark, as we can see that its diameter is 15. So we will mark here from this point 15. This is 15 and this is 15. This is 15. Now we will consider this, and from these lines we will draw a rhombus. So this is the rhombus. From this point we will join this midpoints of this opposite lines. So this, we will take a compass and we will just draw a circle. So we have drawn this circle. Now isometric projection is completed. Now we will give the dimensions. So we have completed our isometric projection with dimensions.